What if I told you there is a way to transform terrible muffled audio from your phone into a studio quality sound using just free tools and artificial intelligence? Welcome to another video from Traficant 3. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the audio in videos or any voice in general using AI. We're going to use two websites that are completely free and also CapCut, which you can also download for free. Well, let's get started. In this tutorial, we're going to use this website called PopPopAI. On this website, you simply drag an MP3 file, and with artificial intelligence, it separates the channels of the song or audio that you have. So, for this video, we're going to use a reference video that I had made before.
Having a holiday, having a weekend, taking lunch break, for being sick, for switching off our mobile phones and not being available 24/7, or for not being 100% spending time with our families.
And as you can see, the audio is terrible because I used the phone's audio. I made this video with the phone and the audio picks up a lot of ambient sound. The problem is that I already have this video edited and it already has music. But using this tool, we're going to separate the music and voice channels. What we're going to do is first open it in CapCut. CapCut is this software that you can download it for free and edit videos. I will put all the links mentioned in this video in the description below. And here we simply drag the video and we have the option to export only the audio file as MP3. And now we have our MP3 file. The next step is to go to the vocal remover section in PopPopAI website. So here what we're gonna do is upload it and click generate. And after a few seconds, it's super fast. We already have the music track and the voice track here.
Don't feel guilty. We live in a world where we feel guilty for having a holiday.
Here you can already see the voice audio of what I was saying. It has this echo-like sound, like a very strange reverberation. So here what we do is download it, and then what we do is take only the audio track. And what we're going to do is also clean it with artificial intelligence using this Adobe podcast website. This website is also completely free and is super easy to use. First, you have to register. I already am using my Gmail account. Then we just drag and drop our MP3 file using only the vocals MP3 generated from PopPopAI. This takes a little longer, but the result is incredible. So here we already have the result in a WAV file, which is like uncompressed audio.
Don't feel guilty. We live in a world where we feel guilty for having a holiday, having a weekend, taking lunch break.
And the last step is to go to CapCut and import the files we've already generated from these two websites. And here, as we can see, we drag them in, and it now has impeccable audio, as if we were recording it with a professional microphone.
For switching off our mobile phones and not being available 24/7, or for not being 100% spending time with our families. Don't feel guilty. We live in a world where we feel guilty for having a holiday, having a weekend, taking lunch break, for being...
Well, that's all for this video. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, leave comments if you have any specific topic you want me to talk about or how to improve my videos. And remember, the AI we're living today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you next time. Bye-bye.